Hello friends, I am Nayesh from webdude.com, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a social networking website using WordPress. When I say using WordPress, I mean anybody can create a website using this particular platform. So let's get started. Before creating a website, let me show you the website which we are actually going to create. So this is the website which we'll be creating. I have created a dummy website earlier just to show you. So as you can see here we'll have our own logo, some pages, a cover image, profile picture, activity page. Here is a profile tab where you can see your own profile, edit something. Here it shows 4, means we have 4 friends. I have 4 friends with me right now. I'm added to 4 groups, no forums, 8 media, means I have uploaded 8 medias, maybe mp3 or image or anything. And a great thing about this website, I think so, is that we can even upload a mp3 file. Here are the Adam Levin's friends. I have created a account Adam Levin. All these are dummy accounts. So here it shows how many friends, top active friends. You can sort it by different category if you want. Here are groups. I'll also show you how to create a group. So let's take an example of this group, best friends forever. Here also you'll see a cover page, profile picture. I'm the admin of this group, so you can see my image right here. 3 members are there at present in this group. No media, no one has uploaded anything. Okay, I'll also show you how to put this favicon right up here. For example, if you see google.com, right up here you can see a small g. This is the favicon. It is very very important for branding your website. Here it shows who's online. At present nobody is online because we are not logged in. As you can see, we are getting a register tab over here, but if we get online, we'll see a different kind of header right here. Here user can directly log in or register from here, or click here to get registered. I'll also show you how to create this form where user had to fill in all the information. I'll show you how to edit this thing, put your name over here. Okay, so I think so this is it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So to create a website, we have to follow some simple steps. In the first step, we'll register for a domain. What is domain? A domain basically is your address. For example, Google's domain is google.com. My website's domain is webdude.com. So that is what domain is. Next step is hosting. Hosting is a server which stores all your file. Okay, for example, if you're uploading some images, photos, that is basically the same thing, audio, anything, that all gets uploaded or saved on your hosting. Third step is installing WordPress, and the final step is creating a website. So let's get started. For both hosting and domain, I prefer the hostgator.com, and I'm at present using this service. As I showed you my website, WebDude. So I'm using HostGator domain and HostGator hosting, and I'm very satisfied with service of this particular website. So I would prefer you guys also to go for this website, HostGator, for this domain and hosting provider. There are several other hosting providers you can go for example Bluehost, or there are many others, but I personally prefer the hostgator.com. So let's get started. Click here, get started now. Scroll down, you'll see 3 plans: hatchling plan, baby plan, a business plan. I personally prefer the baby plan because it is quite affordable, and in a single hosting you can store unlimited domains. So go for it, sign up now. In the first box you have to enter your domain. What domain do you want? For example, if my name is Naya, I want nayer.com. okay, but it shows that it is unavailable. Somebody has already booked this, so I can take nayershake.com. so this is available. This is added in my cart, but I don't want any domain right now. I already own this domain, so not this one. I'll write webdude.com. I want this one. Okay, next thing you have to choose the package. I personally prefer the baby package, as I told you. You can take for how long do you want to use this service, for 6 months, 12 months, 24, 36 months. I personally prefer to go for 12 months, but you can go for 1 month also if you're doing it for first time and you're not sure whether you want to continue with this or not. So you can go for 1 month also. Enter your username, any username. For example, I'm entering NAS777. Any security pin. It should be a number within 4 to 8 characters long, so type any number. Enter all your details over here. I'm not gonna enter it again, so just copy and paste it. I'm from India, so India. Zip code is 46. City name is Mumbai, so Mumbai. State is Maharashtra. I'll select Maharashtra. Now put in your credit card or your debit card details over here. You can also pay through PayPal. I'll go for debit card or credit card. I'm not putting my original details. Okay, now here are some add-ons, additional services. I don't think so we need any one of them, so just untick all these things. At the last you'll see a coupon code bracket. The default one is Snappy, which gives you around 25% discount. In this case we are getting $2.39. But if you, as I told you, if you are doing it for the first time and you're not sure whether you want to continue this for long time or not, you're just checking it, then I have one coupon code for you, which is 1 cent webdude. Just type this thing 1 cent webdude over here and click on validate. What does this do is, if you put my coupon code right here, you just have to pay 1 cent for the first month, because if you're just checking it, you don't want to waste your money. So just go for this coupon code 1 cent webdude if you're doing it for 1 month. But if you're now planning to go for 12 months, so I have another code for you, which is webdude 25. Put this code and click on validate. It gives you a $35 discount, which is a great discount, I guess. So you can go for this one and click on I have read and agreed to the terms and services, and click on checkout now. So once you have signed up for hostgator.com, you'll receive an email from hostgator.com. So open this email. This email has very important information about your website, so don't forget to save this email somewhere in your computer and also forward it to you. Now if you have 2-3 email accounts, then forward this email to all those accounts. Okay, so first one is your control panel link, so click on this link. This is your control panel link, so click on copy the username and put it over here, and copy the password from here, okay, and paste it over here. So once you paste your username and password, click on login. Okay, so this is your cPanel, HostGator cPanel. So we want to install the WordPress, so click over here, get started with WordPress today. Now you'll see this option, install WordPress for free. Yes, we want to install WordPress for free, so click here, install WordPress, and select the domain you want to install WordPress on. I have created a new domain which says twitter.webdude.com. So keep this thing blank, so enter your email. Okay, now your blog title, I'm putting it as social networking website. Choose your username. I'm choosing my username as Nayars777. My first name is Nayar, last name is Sheikh, so put it that, and click on install WordPress. Here is, as you can see, this is just an ad. Cancel this. Your install is complete. Click here to view your notifications. So click on view credentials now. Here it will show the admin area, your username and password. So click on admin area. If you see this thing error 404 page not found, don't worry, because this is very common. It simply means that your WordPress has not yet been installed on your domain. It takes some time. Sometimes it takes around 4 to 5 minutes, or sometimes even 3 to 4 hours. So until I get this thing running, I'm pausing this video, and once my website is running, I'll continue from there. Okay guys, so my website is running right now, and it just took around 4 to 5 minutes for me. I don't know how much time did it take for you. So come back here. Here you'll see the admin area. See, so click on here. This is your, it will ask you for username and password. Copy this username, paste it here. Also copy the password. Login. I'm saving my password. First, do one thing: update all your plugins and themes, which is very important to be safe. Just check mark, select all, and click on update plugins. Now click on dashboard, and the first thing which we'll do is to change the password, because we have given a password by the HostGator, so we don't want that password, we want our own password. So however, this, you'll see this option, edit my profile, click on it. Okay, so come down, click here, you'll see account management, new password. We want new password, so click on generate password. It will generate a new password for you, but we don't want this, we want our own password. So cancel this. I want to hide this, and put your password over here. It shows that it is a weak password, but I don't mind. I want this password only for myself. Click here, confirm use of weak password, and click on the update profile. So your password has been updated. Now come on to the dashboard. Now the first thing which we'll do is we'll install the theme. What basically the theme is, for example, if you see our website right now, it looks quite simple, not so good, but we want this kind of website. As you can see, this is very good, with so many features. It is so dumb. So to make it look like this, we want to install a new theme. We have to install that theme. So to install that theme, I have given you the link in the description below. I'm installing the Clio theme, which is a premium theme, forest theme, but you can use any theme, any free theme by WordPress. There are many free themes, but I have given another link in the description below about the 5 best themes for this kind of website, so you can check that link also if you don't want to use a premium theme. So just go for that. But for now, I'm using the theme forest Clio theme. If you click on my link in the description below of the theme link, you'll be redirected to this link. So add this thing to your card and download this. I have already downloaded it. Once you download this, you'll see this kind of file. Save this file on your desktop and open this file. Open this folder. Here you'll see a folder named WordPress. Open this one. Here you'll see clio.zip file. So select this file and click on extract to, and select desktop. Click on OK. So your theme has been extracted here. This is the the theme. Here is your theme. So on your dashboard, click on appearance, and here you have three themes. All these three themes are by WordPress. These themes, being frankly speaking, are very boring themes, so don't go for these themes. Click add new over here and click on upload theme. Choose file. We have installed this here, so this one is our file. So select this thing and click on open, and over here click install now. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll see the progress in the bottom left of your browser right here. It's uploaded 6%. So until it uploads, I'm pausing this video and I'll continue when the theme has been uploaded. Welcome back, friends. So it shows that this theme has been successfully installed. So what you have to do is click on activate. So here, as you can see, your clear theme has been activated. This is your active theme. Now if you refresh your website, this website has totally changed. Okay, so let's get started with our website now. First, just click here, theme options. First thing which we are going to do is to change the logo and the favicon. So click on the general settings, come down. Here you'll see option, logo option. It will ask you to upload your own logo, so click on upload, select files. I have saved my logo here on the desktop web files. This is my logo. Make sure there that your logo's dimension is 175 into 43. Okay, so select this, and now we have to change the favicon. As I told you, what favicon is this thing over here. So this is click on remove first. Now upload. This is my favicon. Click on open, select it. Now click on save changes. Now go to your website. As you can see, both our logo and favicon has been changed. Okay, so once we have changed the logo and the favicon, now come back and click on plugins. We want to install a plugin, the most important plugin for our website, that is BuddyPress. So right up here, click on add new, and in this search box, oh okay, here it is. This is a famous plugin, so it is up right here. Click on install now. Activate this plugin. Okay, so our WordPress plugin is now active. Okay, so now go to settings and select BuddyPress over here. In the BuddyPress, we have to now see some settings. First one is extended profiles, which says customize your community with fully editable profile fields that allows your users to describe themselves. We want to activate this, so just tick mark this one. Second one is account setting, which allows your users to modify their accounts and notification settings directly from within their profiles. Obviously that's really cool, so tick mark this also. Third one is friends connection, which let your users make connections so that they can track the activity of others and focus on the people they care about the most. So tick mark this also. It simply means that they can send, they can add friends and they can chat with each other. That is what it means. Third one is private message. Okay, so now go to settings and select BuddyPress over here. In the BuddyPress, we have to now see some settings. First one is extended profiles, which says customize your community with fully editable profile fields that allows your users to describe themselves. We want to activate this, so just tick mark this one. Second one is account setting, which allows your users to modify their accounts and notification settings directly from within their profiles. Obviously that's really cool, so tick mark this also. Third one is friends connection, which let your users make connections so that they can track the activity of others and focus on the people they care about the most. So tick mark this also. It simply means that they can send, they can add they can add friends and they can chat with each other. That is what it means. Third one is private messaging. Tick mark this also so that we can allow our users to private message each other. User group, yes, we want users to let them make the groups, edit the groups, allow members to enter into groups. So tick mark all these things except the site tracking, we don't need that. And now save settings. Once you have saved settings, now come to these pages right up here. Here the member, activity and user groups pages are already made. You can view them by clicking here. So at present I am the only member, so only one member is showing. Okay, so we don't want to see this, but still two new pages have to be created, the register page and the activate page. So let's do that. Select the pages and click on the add new page. So as you know, we have to create two groups. First two pages, I'm sorry. First one is register. So type register and don't have to do anything with all those things, just click on publish. Okay, so this page is created, we can view that. We don't want to do that, just add new page. And name it activate and publish this also. Now come back to the settings and select the BuddyPress. Now in the pages section, in the register one, select the register, and the activate one, select the activate, and now save settings. Now let's see these settings, other settings. Everything is fine over here, so just click on save settings. Now come back to the dashboard so that we can add the pages which we have created right up here, and select the menu right here and name it main menu or create menu, so that your menu gets created. Once you created the menu, don't forget to tick mark this primary menu so that the WordPress knows that the menu which we are going to create now, or which we are creating now, is our primary menu. And select all these things except the sample page and add to menus. Okay, I want the activity right here, the member page should be the one. Okay, this one should. Now we also have to create a new page, so click on custom links right here and type in the URL https your domain. Mine is twitter.webdude.com/groups/create. okay, so groups/create will be there after your domain name. Okay, I have given this thing also in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. And link text will be create group. Now add this to menu and select this one and drag it right here so that this becomes the subgroup or sub menu of groups. Okay, now save settings. Now refresh this page. Right here, as you can see, there's nothing, but once you refresh this, you'll see all your pages, whatever you have created right here. So when we hover this page, we can see a new option, create group. Okay, now let's change all these things, the sidebars. As you can see in our website which we'll be making, we have groups in the sidebar. Username means login group, who's online, but here all these creepy stuffs which we don't want. So let's change this. Go to your dashboard, select the widgets, and first delete all these things. Select this, click on delete. Select this, click on delete. Similarly do this for all the site widgets. Okay, and we want all these things. BuddyPress friends. Okay, how many friends to be shown? 5 friends. Okay, so save, click here. We also want the BuddyPress login, so add widget, what you want to give this title. For example, I'm saying login. You can keep it blank also. Save this. Who's online? Main sidebar. Make sure that main sidebar is ticked when you select all these widgets. Add widget. Here already the title who's online is given, and maximum 15 members to be shown. If you want, you can restrict this to 8 or 7, whatever you want. Now click on save. We also want the groups, so here is the groups. Add widget. How many groups to be shown? 5 groups. Default active groups are popular. We want the popular groups, so save. Once you have done that, come back to your page and refresh this. As you can see, once you refresh this, you see the groups, who's online. Actually there's no group. We'll create one now. Who's online, only I'm online, so my photo is my account is showing right here. I'm already logged in, so I'm not getting that login username and password and all those stuff. So come back to the home page. Now let's create a very important thing, which is the register page, so that every new user can come, and so they have to register to our website. So what all fields do you want to make available for them? So let's do that. Come to users and select the profile fields. Okay, first what you want to add, this is the base. As you can see, this is the base primary field. One field is already added, which is name. We want to add another field, so click on add new field. This field will be date of birth, so that we can know what is the age of the user. So in this box, type date of birth. In the description you can type anything. I'm typing please provide your date of birth. Your is wrong, we'll correct it. Your date of birth. Okay. In the type 1, select the date selector, because user has to select the date, month, year. In the visibility, select the default one. I want this to be seen by everyone, so everyone is. In the visibility, select the default thing you want to select. Everyone means that everyone can see the date of birth of the user, so obviously that's fine, nothing wrong with that. In this, always take this one, allow members to override, so that if the member doesn't want everybody to see his date of birth or her date of birth, then she can select that thing. Requirement, yes, they make this thing compulsory, so click on required. If you don't want this thing to be compulsory, select not required, but I want this thing to be compulsory, so required. And now save. Okay, I want only these two things, so I'm not adding anything other, but you can add something other also if you want. I'm not adding that. So come back to the dashboard. Now when you refresh this, you won't see anything, because you are already logged in, and you don't need to register because you're already logged in. But when you open this thing in another browser, let me show you. But before that, we have to do that setting, so click on customize right here. And here in the static front page, you have to select a static page. I'm selecting the register page, okay, as the front page, and post page should be members. Okay, you can select anything you want, but I'm selecting these things, and save and publish. I'm opening in Mozilla Firefox. Paste your URL over here and press enter. Okay, it says user registration is currently not allowed because we are not enabled these settings. So first exit this thing, come back to your dashboard and go to users and select manage signups. And here you will see registration is disabled. We want to edit this setting and we want to enable it because everybody can join us. And here in this membership, you can say this thing is not ticked, so tick mark this thing. Anyone can register and save settings. Now if a new user opens your website, then as you can see, he'll see all these things: username, email address, password, name which is required we just created, date of birth we created. You can add many things. Now let's create an account. For example, my friend Afzal, let's create his account. I don't know his email address, I'm putting my own email address. Password, let's choose any password. Okay, now name, his name is Afzal Khan, so Afzal Khan. I don't know the date of birth, I'm putting my date of birth, 7th June 1994. Why is 1990? Okay, here it is, 1994. These fields can be seen by everyone. Now he can change it, but I don't want to change it. Complete sign up, remember password. Now a great thing about this website is, see here, you have successfully created your account. To begin using this site, you will need to activate your account via the email we have sent to your address, which is a great thing. Means no one just can put anything like any email address which is not correct and use your website to disturb your users, so that is not allowed. So now he has to go to his email account to check the link. So go to Google, yes, select Gmail. If you don't see your message here, don't worry. You can see that many a times it happens that it gets spammed. So in this spam box, here it is, social networking website, which is the name of our website. So click this and select this. Once you click on this link, your account gets activated. So now the user has to log into his account. So to do so, he has to put the username and password. So we just created his account, my friend's account, Afzal, and the password was, once you put that, just press enter. He will be redirected to the main page you have set. Now this thing comes up to his profile picture, because this is the default profile picture. He can change his profile picture by going to his account and selecting the profile. Here as you can see, change profile picture. So select this change profile picture, select your file. I have selected many files, I have uploaded many files over here. Now it doesn't look like any of them, but I'll select Eminem. Okay, now we can crop this image. This looks cool. Okay, crop image. Okay, as you can see, his profile picture has been changed. Now when he comes to the main page, he can see me. Now when he see me, he gets two options: add friend and private message. So he can send me a friend request. So a friend request has been sent. Cancel, we can also cancel the friend request. Now let's see my account, whether did I get that or not. Now when I refresh my account, okay, as you can see, I'm getting a notification right here. Okay, but we want our notifications to be here. We don't want the user to go there and all those things. So for that, go to your theme options, and select the header option over here, and make sure that you have this thing. Select this one and save settings. Come to your dashboard, select menus. In the menu, you will see this option, BuddyPress option right here. Select the friends, the groups, messages, notifications, and profile, all these things. It's your wish. If you want, you can select only one or two. It's all up to you. Okay, and add to menus. Okay, I don't want group because group is getting 2 times, so let's delete this one. Messages and everything is fine. Now save settings. Once you save setting, first look how it looks now, and after refresh, let's see what are the changes that take place. Okay, as you can see, when we refresh this, we are getting notifications right here, the messages, friends, profile, everything. So this is very cool. Now let's select notifications. See, you have a friend request from Afzal Khan. Read it or delete it. Just click on this. Okay, so you can accept it, you can reject it. I want to accept this, so I'm accepting this. Now come back to your page. Okay, so we have seen how to create a user account, how to create all these things, how to create these pages, how to put this thing. Now coming to groups. When you click on groups, it shows there were no groups found because we haven't created any group. Now select this thing, create group. When you create group, take the name of the group. For example, this is just a demo group, so demo group. Description, this is just a demo group. Create group and continue. Do you want to make this group a public group, private group, hidden group? I want to make this group as a public group, so I'm selecting public group. And group invitation, who all can invite others, so I'm selecting it as all group members. All group members can invite their friends in this group, so select this and next step. Now you can choose a profile picture for your group profile picture, so select your picture. I'm selecting this MJ, Michael Jackson's photo, as my profile picture for my group. Now let's crop this. Okay, this looks awesome. Now crop this image. Your profile picture was uploaded successfully. Next step. Here you can invite all your friends. At present we have created only one friend, so let's invite Afzal and finish. Okay, so our group has been created. You can post anything in the group. Hey, just hey, I just want to put hey. Post update. So I have posted something. Anybody can comment on this, but as you can see, now we are not getting an option of uploading any image or something. So let's change that. We are not seeing that because we haven't installed a plugin. So let's come to your dashboard and you'll see this message. This theme recommends the following plugins, so begin installing plugins. Select this one. We don't want all these plugins, we want only few plugins. This one, the BuddyPress. We don't want WooCommerce. We are not making a e-commerce website, but soon I'll be making a new website, e-commerce website, so we will need this thing over there. Select this one, Visual Composer, Revolution Slider, and Key Elements. And here select Install and Apply. It will install all the selected plugins. As you can see, 6 plugins were selected, all are installed. Now return to the required plugin installer. BuddyPress and everything is now active. Now come to our page and let's refresh this. Now when we click here, as you can see, we get this icon. When we click on this icon, we can upload anything. For example, I wanna upload Katy Perry's photo, so open this photo and I love her. Just write something and post update. So as you can see, I have uploaded this thing in the demo group. So this thing is, now anybody can comment on this. For example, let's make Afzal give a comment. So take his account, refresh this page. Okay, Now when he goes to yes, okay, so here you can see demo group. When he comes to the group, this is just a demo group. He gets this option join group because we have invited him, so he clicks here. Now he's also a member of this group. He also gets the option to leave group. We don't want to leave this right now. Okay, now Afzal will comment. I love her too. That's cool. Post it. So this is also a cool feature of this website. So we have covered many things, I think. What is left? I think we have covered everything. Okay, this thing is left. I want to remove this thing. I don't want their name, 7th Queen and all these things. I want my name over here. And I also want to remove this thing. If you want, you can keep this, change it, your email address and all this thing, put your phone number. But I want just to remove this whole thing and also to change this and put my name over here. So let's do so. Come to your dashboard and select the theme options. In the theme options, select the header option, which is already selected in this case, and come down. Here is the code for this particular thing. I don't want anything right here. If you want to change it to your email address, you can put your email, for example webdude.com @gmail.com. You can save changes. Once your changes has been saved, refresh this page. You can see the email address has been changed, but as I said you, I don't want this thing, so I'm deleting everything. So come here, select all, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard and press the delete key. Okay, and save changes. Let's dismiss all this thing. As I said you, I also want to remove this thing and put my name over here, or my group's name. So come to footer, okay, so come to general settings, come down. This is the footer text. I want this copyright thing to be there at the current year, but I want to remove this thing, copyright at webdude.com. Save changes. Now after saving the change, let's see whether the change has taken place or not. So let's refresh this page. Okay, so this thing has been removed, and now my name comes, or my company names comes here, webdude.com. So guys, okay friends, so I think we have covered everything except one thing. As I said you, I'll show you how to also insert the cover image back here, but I haven't, because the plugin which I installed earlier in this website to show you, this plugin has been removed by the WordPress. I don't know why. This was such a beautiful plugin, so I couldn't do that, but I have given the link in the description below of this plugin, so maybe in the later time, if that plugin gets active, so you can install and do this thing. I'll make another video if that thing happens. So here we finish the website. It was my very first video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, so that you can get regular updates from my channel, because I'll be making new videos on how to create an e-commerce website and how to earn money through internet, through WordPress, through GoDaddy, and I'll show you many things. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends, so that they can also make or create a website so easily. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned.